Hello guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming course. In this video, we will be discussing about COBOL arithmetic operations. In COBOL, arithmetic operations are performed in procedure division. Arithmetic operations are performed using these major verbs. So we have total 5 arithmetic operations here: add, subtract, multiply, divide, and compute. Let's take a look one by one. Add. It is used to perform an addition of 2 or more numeric literals or 2 or more numeric variables. If you see, there is a syntax: add A to B giving C. Here, C is the output result which is coming from A plus B. Let's go to the mainframe screen, execute the add operation. So, we have written a COBOL program, add program, which is add pgm, and we have defined environment division, data division, working storage section, and procedure division. So let's do add operations. Let's define the variables first. Variable must be started area B, which start from column 12. 01 WSA 903, value is 150. So we have declared variable WSA with 903, 3-digit long, and value we have given initial value is 150. Since this is numeric, we did not give the code as we give in the strings. Define the next variable WSB 903, value we will give 5. And third variable we will define WSC 903 01 WSC 903, value we will not give the value here, since this would be our output result, WSC. So we have declared temporary variables under the working storage section. So let's execute the add operation. First, display add operation. Now add, this is COBOL verb, add WSA into B. Sorry, instead of into, to add, to would be used. WSB. Then we will display WSC WS. So add WSA to WSB and giving C. So what we are doing, we are adding this WSA to WSB and giving C. C would be our output. So giving verb in COBOL is used to give the results. Let's compile this program. Program name is 8pgm. First save it, go to the compile JCL. Program name is 8pgm. So we have given the as an input in CC our COBOL program name, the source program, and in the load library we give the name gm delete. So this would be our load library. So we will compile this program, submit the job. Job is submitted. Let's go to the spool. Job is compile error we have. 9 is invalid in data description. So let's see. So guys, so we did not give in the pick clause. So let's add that pick. Now, so let's compile again. Go to compile job. This is our job. This is our load library. Submit the job. Job is submitted. Let's go to the spool. Job is compiled successfully. This is our return code 004. Let's run the program. To run the program, go to the run JCA. So here we have the run JCA. Give our program name add pgm and it will be picked from the load library where our object module is present. Let's submit the job. Job is submitted. Let's go to the spool. Job is ran successfully with return code 00. See the output messages. So add operation and WC value is coming 155, which is correct. If you see what we have done, we have added WSA with WSB and given C. So C value would be 155 as we have printed on the screen. Next we have subtract. Subtract, it is used to subtract verb with 2 or more numeric variables. This is the format we have. Subtract A from B giving C. So let's go to the mainframe screen and execute a program. So let's add the code for subtract. Subtract operation. Subtract is a COBOL verb. Subtract. What we will subtract? WSB from WSA and giving WSC. What we are doing? Subtract WSB, which is 5, from WSA, which is 150, and giving WSC. So the result would be 145. Let's display the WSC again. Save the program. Compile it. 8 program and 8 program. Submit the job. Let's go to the spool. See, so our program has compiled successfully with return code 00. Let's run the program now. To run the program, go to run JCL. So this is our run JCL where we have given our program name and this is the load library. Submit the job. Job is submitted. Let's go to the spool. So program executed successfully. See the output message. Subtract operation, WC value is 145, which is correct. So we have executed subtract operation. Next we have multiply verb, which is used to multiply the numeric variable. Here is the format A by B giving C. So by we used to multiply numeric variables. Let's go to the mainframe screen and execute the program. Let's repeat. We will do a multiply operation. Multiply is a COBOL verb. Multiply WSA by WSB and giving WSC, and we will display WSC. So what we are doing? We are executing doing a multiply operation. So that let's see what would the result. So we have WSA 150, WSB is 5. So we are multiplying A with 5 and the result would be 750. So let's check. Let's save the program. Compile it through the compile JCL. This is the compile JCL. Submit it. Go to the spawn. Job compiled successfully. Let's run the program. This is our run JCL, this is a program, and this is load library. Submit the job. Job is submitted. Let's go to the spool. Job ran successfully with return code 00. Let's check the sysout message. See, so this is multiply operation and 750 is printed successfully. Let's do a divide operation now. So we do repeat lines, display divide operation. We are displaying. Divide is a COBOL verb, so we write directly to divide. So what we will divide? We will divide WSA with by WSB. Okay. So WSB into WSA giving WSC. So what we are doing? WSB, which is 5, into WSA, which is 150, and giving C. So the result would be 30. 35 is 150. So let's save the program. Compile it to check. Submit the compile job. Let's go to spool. So our program compiled successfully with return code 00. Let's run the program. This is our run JCL. Submit. Go to spool. So our program ran successfully with return code 00. See the output messages at the end, and if you see divide operation, and the result is 30. So our program executed successfully all the arithmetic operation. So divide is used to divide the two numeric variables, which we have executed now. Compute. In COBOL, we can do arithmetic operations through compute verb as well. Compute can combine all the arithmetic operation and assign the result to a variable. Here is a format. Compute A, B minus C. So instead of writing an English statement, we can write an expression like we do in maths to do the arithmetic operations. Let's go to the mainframe screen and understand through practicals. So this is one way by writing a COBOL statements. The second way is through compute. So let's write a compute statements. First, we will display compute operation. Okay. Then write compute. Compute is a COBOL verb. WSC, which is equal to WSA plus WSB, and display WSC. So this is the statements we have written for compute. Display, we are just displaying compute WSC, which is WSA plus WSB, and display the WSC. So let's compile, save it and compile. Save and go to the compile JCL. This is compile JCL. Submit the job. Go to spool. So our job compiled successfully with return code 00. Let's run the program. This is our run JCL. Our program name is 8pgm. Submit the job. Job is submitted. Let's go to spool. Program ran successfully with return code 00. Let's see the output message. Compute operation, WSC value is coming 155, which is correct. So we can do arithmetic operations through compute as well. Let's do other like subtract, multiply, divide as well through compute statements. Go to program. just repeat. Now we will compute, we will minus it. So what we will do, WSC equal to WSA, which is 150, minus WSB, which is 5. So our WSC would be 140. Also, we will add multiply. So to multiply, we have to just give the star sign. So compute WSC, which is WSA multiplied by WSB. So answer would be 750. Let's do for divide as well. WSA divide means slash sign with WSB. So the answer would be 30. Let's display this as well. And display and compute operation. Okay. So what we are doing? We are doing the arithmetic operations through compute statements. First is adding, subtracting, multiplying and divide. Let's save the program. Then compile it. To compile, we go to the compile JCL. This is our program and this is our load library. Let's submit the job. Job is submitted. Let's go to spool. Job is compiled successfully with return code 00. Let's execute the program through run JCL. So this is our run JCL and this is our program name and this is our load library. Let's submit the job. Job is submitted. Go to spool. So job is ran successfully with return code 00. Let's see the output sysout messages. See, so this is compute result, compute operations, WSC, which we have added 150 plus 5, 155. Then we have did subtraction 145. Then we are multiplying 150 with 5, which is 750. And then last we are dividing 150 with 5, which is 030, 30. So we have executed arithmetic operations through compute statements as well. So guys, that's all about this lecture. We will meet in the next one. Thank you.